This presentation will provide information on NFB-NEWSLINE online and how you can use NFB-NEWSLINE in your pocket to download your favorite publications to your BookSense. You can use NFB-NEWSLINE in your pocket to download newspapers and magazines quickly and easily to your BookSense. Two new access methods are available under the umbrella term NFB-NEWSLINE Online, which denotes our electronic access methods, that is, ways to access the content. One is Web News on Demand, where you can access our publications on our website. The other is NFB-NEWSLINE In Your Pocket. Both of these access methods and further information is available on www.nfbnewslineonline.org. To use these new access methods, you need to visit that website and log in with your subscriber codes. You do not need new subscriber codes. The ones that you use currently will do just fine. NFB-NEWSLINE in your pocket. With this plug-and-play functionality, you can download publication content onto your BookSense very quickly and very easily. The nice thing about NFB-NEWSLINE in your pocket is that you already use your digital collecting book player for many other purposes, and this is just providing more content for your device. In this next segment, we will be discussing the use, usability, and usefulness of NFB-NEWSLINE in your pocket. First steps. You'll want to set up your favorites. You can do this through the online favorites management tool available at www.nfbnewslineonline.org. Once you've logged in the NFB-NEWSLINE online main menu, you'll see a link to manage your favorites. With the new favorites management tools, you can set up an unlimited number of favorites to be downloaded onto your device through NFB-NEWSLINE in your pocket. You can also set up different publications, different favorites for different access methods. To use NFB-NEWSLINE in your pocket and the other NFB-NEWSLINE online access methods, you will need to agree to our terms of use agreement, which stipulates that you will not distribute NFB-NEWSLINE content to others. One other nice feature of NFB-NEWSLINE in your pocket, as with NFB-NEWSLINE's phone access method, is that our server will remember who you are after the first time that you've used that access method. The first time that you use NFB-NEWSLINE in your pocket with your device, it will ask for your subscriber codes. Subsequently, it will recognize who you are and will start the download process immediately. I'm going to briefly go over the 4 steps of NFB-NEWSLINE in your pocket and then go over them one by one with more detail. The process. 1. Download free software from www.nfbnewslineonline.org. 2. Plug digital talking book player into your computer via USB cable. Turn player on. 3. Launch NFB-NEWSLINE software application. 4. Wait for publications to load onto device. Unplug and close application. Step 1. You'll want to download the NFB-NEWSLINE in your pocket software. There are 2 types available. One version has Java software included and the other does not. You will want to download the version with Java included if you are uncertain whether your computer has the Java software on it or the most current version of the Java software on it. So, once you have selected the link for the version of the software, of the NFB-NEWSLINE in your pocket software that you want, the setup wizard will generate, and it'll go through 5 different steps. You'll want to install the program, and once it's finished, the program should be installed on your computer with a shortcut to that software on your desktop. Step 2. You'll want to connect your BookSense to your computer. You can do this either through a USB cord or your device's SD card through an SD card reader. You'll want to, before you download your publications onto your device, ensure that your unit is recognized by your computer as a hard drive. Step 3. Launch the NFB-NEWSLINE In Your Pocket software. A command prompt screen will appear and will describe the steps you will hear as each publication is downloaded onto your device. Step 4. When all content is downloaded to your BookSense, the command prompt screen will say, "All content updated on your name's BookSense." You'll want to unplug the device from your computer, and then you can take it wherever you go. Please note that you'll want to use the Safely Remove Hardware utility before unplugging your BookSense. Using NFB-NEWSLINE in your pocket. NFB-NEWSLINE in your pocket offers the benefit of DAISY standard formatting for an excellent reading experience. NFB-NEWSLINE in your pocket uses menu options and navigation settings intrinsic to the BookSense so that subscribers do not experience a learning curve in accessing the news on their device. Now we will discuss reading publications on your BookSense. Publications are stored in the NFB-NEWSLINE folder, which is located inside the DAISY folder on your BookSense. Level 1 is the title level of the publication that you've opened. Level 2 is the section level, and Level 3 is the articles level. You want to right arrow until the first publication is found. You want to down arrow to cycle through the available publications and issue dates, and you'll hit play to begin reading. Reading publications on your BookSense continue. To move from section to section within a publication, hit the up arrow until you reach Level 2, the sections level. Use the left and right arrows to move forward and backwards through the sections list. To move from article to article within a section, hit the down arrow until you reach Level 3, the articles level. Use left and right arrows to move forward and backwards through the articles list. When you are finished reading a publication, you can press the Close red button to close the publication so that you can choose another to read. Frequently asked questions. What do I do with the previous issue of the newspaper, excepting Sundays? If deleted, the previous issue of the newspaper will be placed on your device again, so it's best to keep the publication there until it's 2 days old and deleted at that point. Question: how do I delete a publication? Answer: go into the NFB-NEWSLINE folder in the DAISY folder and delete the folder for the issue date of that publication.